Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Vistaprint for marketing print branding, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.vistaprint.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, look for the sign up button, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to start the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets Vistaprint's security requirements. Re-enter your password in the confirmation field to ensure accuracy. Next, provide your first and last name in the appropriate fields. Select your country from the drop-down menu. If applicable, enter your business name. Review the terms and conditions provided by Vistaprint. Check the box to agree to their terms and services. Consider if you want to receive promotional emails by checking or unchecking the option. Once all fields are completed, click on the Create Account button. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Vistaprint. Open the email and click on the verification link provided within. This will confirm your email and take you back to the Vistaprint website. Now that your account is activated, log in using your email and password. Explore the various marketing print branding options available. Choose the products you want to use for your branding needs. Follow the on-screen prompts to customize your chosen products. Once satisfied with your designs, proceed to the checkout process. Enter your shipping and payment information when prompted. Review your order to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click on the Place Order button to complete your purchase. Wait for a confirmation email regarding your order details. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.